Tuloy natin yung ating solution number 2 sa ating example number 3 sa volume of solid of revolution. Yung ating problem, revolve about x equals -1, the quadrant 1 area bounded by the graphs of y equals 0, y equals x minus 2, and y squared equals x. And find the volume of solid generated. So, nung nakaraang video natin, ay hinati natin sa dalawa yung ating solid, yung inner part, yung kulay red ay tinawag nating volume 1 at yung outer part, yung kulay blue ay tinawag nating volume 2. At dun sa nakaraang video natin, ay na-solve natin yung volume 1, gamit ang cylindrical shell method, So this is by cylindrical shell method. So by cylindrical shell method. Okay? So, yung naging thickness natin ay dx, Kaya lahat ng variable of integration natin ay in terms of x. So, yung naging radius natin 1 plus x. Yung naging length natin ay equal siya sa x raised to 1/2. So, yung pagsama-sama ng volume ng bawat cylindrical shell sa ating solution 1 ay from 0 hanggang 2. At nakakuha tayo ng volume na 88 square root of 2 pi over 15 cubic units. Hindi ko na isulat yung ating unit. So, volume 1, equals 88 square root of 2 over 15 times pi cubic units. So, ito yung ating nakuhang volume 1. So, ngayon naman, ay solve natin yung ating volume 2. So, balik tayo sa ating figure. So, para sa volume 2, magdodrawing din tayo ng ating representative cylindrical shell. At dito tayo gumuhit sa bandang itaas na ito, dito sa lugar na ito. Okay? So ngayon, ating i-project yan sa itaas, bandang itaas. Doon natin siya i-drawing yung ating cylindrical shell, dito sa taas. So, lapisin muna natin. Okay, so ito na yung ating cylindrical shell, ano. So, yun na yung tsura niya, no. Para siyang lata ng sardinas na walang mga dulo, tanggal ang mga dulo, no. Ganon. So, yung ating vertical line na ito na kulay blue, kapag inikot natin siya sa ating axis of rotation, so ito yung magiging solid na mabubuo cylindrical shell. So ngayon, let us identify the parts of the cylindrical shell, no? So yung distance na ere sa dulo ng cylindrical shell dito sa taas, ano, hanggang dito sa x-axis, ayan, yung distance na ito ay equal siya sa y high, distance na yan hanggang dito sa x-axis. So, yan ay equal siya sa y high. Tapos sa kabilang dulo, sa baba, no, buhat dun sa dulo, sa baba, hanggang dito, ito ay y low. No, distance na yan ay y low. So, dahil ito yung ating L, yung distance na ito, ang buhat doon hanggang dito, no? So, yung L natin, tatawagin natin siyang L2, no? Equal siya sa y high minus y low, no? So, yung L2 natin, equal siya sa y high minus y low. Y high minus y low. Dito sa vertical line na yan, sa kulay blue na yan, ano, dito sa lugar na ito, sa tapat ng kulay blue na yan, hanggang dito sa y-axis, yung distance na ere ay equal siya sa x unit din, ano, x unit or x units. Ito. So, ito, equal siya sa x units. No? At ring distance na ere, no? Dahil ere ay x equals 0, no? Tapos ere ay x equals to negative 1. So, equal siya sa 1 unit yung distance na yun, no? So, yung ating radius ng cylindrical shell na ito ay ring distance na ito, no? Itong distance na ito. Ito yung ating radius. So, you see, yung ating radius equal siya sa 1 plus x. No? Okay? So, let us now solve volume 2. No? So, dv2 equals 2 pi LRT. So, ito yung ating formula, no? So, L2 RT. So, integrating both sides, then volume 2 equals 2 pi integral from A to B of L2 RT. What is A? What is A? So, yung pagsama-sama ng volume ng cylindrical shell dito sa part na ito, ay magsisimula tayo sa x equals 2. So, bawat isang guhit na ganun ay isang cylindrical shell. Magre-represent yan ng isang cylindrical shell. Hanggang makarating tayo dito sa dulo na x equals 4. Kaya A is 2, B is 4. So, from 2 to 4. No? A is 2, B equals 4. Now, what is the thickness? So, you see, yung ating cylindrical shell ay perpendicular siya sa x-axis. Kaya yung thickness natin ay dx. So, yung thickness uli natin equals siya sa dx. So, ito yung thickness. Equals siya sa dx. So, yung magiging variable of integration natin, dapat lahat in terms of x. Dahil meron tayong differential na dx. Now, what is L2? Now, what is L2? So, length 2, no? As you can see, itong distance na ito, yun, it is equal to y high minus y low. Kaya meron tayong length 2 equals to sa y high minus y low. So, length 2 natin equals y high minus y low. Ngayon, yung mga y na yan ay dapat nating i-express in terms of x dahil ang differential natin ay dx. No? So, what is y high? So, you see, yung y high, ang nagdi-define sa kanya ay yung parabola, y squared equals x. So, pag sinolve natin yung y dyan, so yung y high natin equals x raised to 1/2. So, y high natin equals sa x raised to 1/2. Now, minus y low. What is y low? Sa yung y low naman natin, you see, nakatukod yung ating ibabang bahagi ng vertical line na ito na naging cylindrical shell, So, ang nagdi-define sa y low ay yung line na y equals x minus 2. No? So, yung y low natin equals x minus 2. X minus 2. No? So, length 2 natin equals x raised to 1/2. No? And then negative times x is minus x. And then negative times negative 2 ay plus 2. So, ayan yung ating L2. Now, what is the radius? So, the radius, as we can see, So, ito yung ating radius. At equal siya sa x plus 1. Equal siya sa x plus 1. Or 1 plus x. X plus 1 or 1 plus x. So, ang radius natin, x plus 1. Ayan. So, kompleto na tayo. So, let us substitute in the formula. So, magkakaroon tayo ng volume 2 equals 2 pi. And then integral from, so this time from 2 to 4. 2 to 4 of L2. So, yung L2 natin, x raised to 1/2 minus x plus 2. So, x raised to 1/2. And then minus x, and then plus 2. And then times r. So, yung r natin equals sa x plus 1. X plus 1. And then times the thickness, dx. Okay? Let us multiply x raised to 1/2 minus x plus 2 and x plus 1. Multiply muna natin siya. Kuhain muna natin yung product nito. So, meron tayong x raised to 1/2, and then minus x, and then plus 2, and then times x plus 1. So, So, x times x raised to 1 half, x raised to 3 halves. And then x times negative x squared. And then x times 2i, 2x. So, plus 2x. And then 1 times x raised to 1 half. So, plus x raised to 1 half. And then 1 times negative x ay negative x. And then 1 times 2 ay 2. So, plus 2. And let us add. So, we'll have x raised to 3 halves. And then minus x squared. And then 2x minus x ay plus x. And then plus x raised to 1 half. And then plus 2. So this is the product of x raised to 1 half minus x plus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, so let us substitute natin dito sa ating volume, no? So volume 2 equals 2 pi. Then integral from 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So yung product natin dito equal siya sa x raised to 3 halves. And then minus x squared. And then plus x. Tapos plus x raised to 1 half. And then plus 2. And then dx. No. Okay. Ngayon on, let us integrate. No, integrate natin. So I'll have volume 2. So meron tayong 2 pi. Integral of x raised to 3 over 2 dx equals x raised to 5 over 2. And then times 2 over 5, Integral of x squared dx equals x cubed over 3. So negative x cubed over 3. And then integral of x dx equals x squared over 2. So plus x squared over 2. And then integral of x raised to 1 half dx equals x raised to 3 over 2. And then times 2/3. And then integral of 2 dx equals 2x. So plus 2x. And then from 2 to 4. And then let's evaluate now from 2 to 4. So na, when x equals 4, no. So when x equals 4, lahat ng x papalitan natin ng 4. So meron tayong 2 pi, So when x is 4, I will have 2 over 5. So yung 4 equal din siya sa 2 squared, no? So yung 4 na yon equal din siya sa 2 squared. And then raised to 5 over 2. And then minus, and x is 4, so I will have 4 cubed over 3. and then plus. So when x is 4, we'll have 4 squared over 2. And then plus 2/3. So when x is 4, so yung 4, papalitan natin ng 2 squared. And then raised to 3 over 2. And then when x is 4, and then 2 times 4. Okay? And then minus. Now, when x is 2. When x is 2. So, lahat ng x, papalitan natin ng 2. So, I'll have 2 over 5. So, 2 raised to 5 over 2. And then minus. So, when x is 2, we will have 2 cubed over 3. And then plus. So, when x is 2, so I'll have 2 squared over 2. 2 squared over 2. And then when x is 2, we'll have 2/3. And then 2 raised to 3 over 2. And then plus, when x is 2, we'll have 2 times 2. Okay. So we'll have volume 2 equals, as meron tayong 2 pi. And then times. Cancel 2, And then 2 raised to 5, 32 times 2, 64 over 5. So, karoon tayo ng 64 over 5. Next, 64 over 3. 4 raised to 3 is 64. So, kakaroon tayo ng 64 over 3. So, minus 64 over 3. And then 16 divided by 2 ay 8. 8. So plus 8. And then plus. So cancel on 2. 2 raised to 3, 8 times 2, 16 over 3. So plus 16 over 3. And then 2 times 4 ay 8. So plus 8. And then minus. 2 raised to 5 over 2 ay 4 square root of 2. So 4 square root of 2 times 2 ay 8 square root of 2 over 5. So 8 square root of 2 over 5. 8 over 3. 2 cubed over 3 is 8 over 3. So minus 8 over 3. And then plus 2 squared divided by 2 ay 2. So plus 2. Two raised to 3 over 2 ay 2 square root of 2 times 2, 4 square root of 2 over 3. So plus 4 square root of 2 over 3. Plus 4 square root of 2 over 3. And then 2 times 2 ay 4. So plus 4. Now, let us remove the grouping symbols, ano, dito sa inner grouping symbols natin. Tanggalin natin, ano. Magkakaroon tayo ng volume 2 equals 2 pi. And then we have 64 over 5. Minus 64 over 3. And then plus 8, plus 8, 8 plus 8, so bali 16, no? So plus 16. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. And plus 16 over 3. So negative 8 square root of 2 over 5. So minus 8 square root of 2 over 5. So plus 8 over 3. And then 2 plus 4 ay 6. Tapos negative, so minus 6. No? And then negative times positive 4 square root of 2 over 3 ay negative 4 square root of 2 over 3. Okay? So, we have 2 pi. Then we have 64 over 5. Ano? Let us combine this. Ano? 64 over 3. And then 16 over 3. At saka 8 over 3. Oh. So that's negative 40 over 3. So minus 40 over 3. And then plus, no? And then 16 minus 6 ay 10. So plus 10. And then minus 8 square root of 2 over 5. So minus 8 square root of 2 over 5. And then minus 4 square root of 2 over 3. So minus 4 square root of 2 over 3. Kuha tayo ng LCD natin. Ang LCD natin ay 15. No? So I'll have 2 pi. So LCD natin ay 15. So 15 divided by 5 ay 3. Times 64 ay 192. 192. 15 divided by 3 ay 5. Times 40 ay 200. So minus 200. 15 times 10 ay 150. So plus 150. 15 divided by 5 ay 3. Times 8 ay 24 square root of 2. And then 15 divided by 3 ay 5. 5 times 4 ay 20 square root of 2. So minus 20 square root of 2. Okay? 192 plus 150 minus 200 equals 200 o 142. Oh, 192 times 1 o plus 150 and then minus 200 equals 142. So 142. And then 24 square root of 2 minus 20 square root of 2. So minus 44 square root of 2. Then divided by 15. Tapos times 2 pi. So yung 2 pi lagay natin dito. No? So times 2 pi. Okay? Kaya rin, multiply natin yung 2 sa loob. No? So I'll have 142 times 2 equals 284. So 284. And then minus 2 times 44 minus 88. Ano? And then square root of 2. And then divided by 15. And then times pi cubic units. So ito yung ating volume 2. So yung volume 2 natin, 284 minus 88 square root of 2 over 15 times pi cubic units. Okay. So let us now solve volume, total volume. So total volume equals volume 1 plus volume 2. No? So yung volume 1 natin, na nakuha natin ay 88 square root of 2 over 15 times pi. So 88 square root of 2 over 15 times pi. And then plus volume 2. So this is our volume 2. 284. So minus 88 square root of 2 over 15 pi. So common factor pi. No? So 88 square root of 2 over 15 plus 284 over 15. Pag-iwalayin natin to. So minus 88 square root of 2 over 15 and then times pi. So cancel 88 square root of 2 over 15. So sagot natin